ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉಮಾವತಿ. ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ 3ನೇ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಾದಂತಹ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಈ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕುರಿತಂತೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 3ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಈ ವಿಷಯ ಕುರಿತು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್: ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೆಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್: ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ. Recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we have learned below factors, meaning, advantages and disadvantages of folk medicine, different well-acknowledged traditional systems of medicine of India such as Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and homeotherapy. Learning objectives: to provide a picture of concept Ayurveda as a natural healing system of illness. Learning outcomes: student will be able to understand that how Ayurveda helps us to balance mind and body to be healthy. Ayurveda is an alternative medicine system with historical roots in the Indian subcontinent. Ayurveda therapies have varied and evolved over more than 2 millennia. Therapies are typically based on complex herbal compounds, mineral and metal substance. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹಳೆಯ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಉಪಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಬೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಔಷಧಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳು ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು 2,000 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಕಾಸಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗಿಡಮೂಲಿಕೆಗಳ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಖನಿಜಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಲೋಹದ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿದೆ. The traditional Hindu system of medicine, which is based on the idea balance in bodily system and use diet, herbal treatment and yogic breathing. In Sanskrit, Ayurveda means the science of life. According to Philzot, Ayurveda is sometimes considered as a secondary part of Atharvana Ved and sometimes as secondary Veda of Rigveda. ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೈಹಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮತೋಲನದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿದ ಆಹಾರ, ಗಿಡಮೂಲಿಕೆಗಳ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಯೋಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಬಳಸುವ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಎಂದರೆ ಜೀವನ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಂದರ್ಥ. Objectives of Ayurveda: to maintain the health of healthy person, to cure the health issues of diseased person, to live gracefully and harmoniously in balance of body, mind and spirit. Ayurveda system focus on curing of illness as well as prevention and promotion of health in healthy individual. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ರೋಗಪೀಡಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುವುದು, ದೇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಚೈತನ್ಯದ ಸಮತೋಲನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬದುಕುವುದು. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕರಿಸಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ. Ayurveda identifies three basic types of energy or functional principles. Those are Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These principles can be related to the basic biology of the body. According to Ayurvedic philosophy, the entire cosmos is an interplay of the energies of five great elements. One is space, second one air, third one fire, fourth one water, fifth one earth. Vata, Pitta and Kapha are combination and formation of these five elements that manifest as patterns present in all creations. Vata. Vata is sub energy associated with movement composed of space and air. It governs breathing, blinking, muscles and tissues movement, pulsation of heart and all movements in the cytoplasma and cell membranes. In balance, Vata promotes creativity and flexibility. Out of balance, Vata produces fear and anxiety. Pitta. Pitta expressed as the body's metabolic system made up of fire and water. It governs digestion, absorption, assimilation, nutrition, metabolism, and body temperature. In balance, Pitta promotes understanding and intelligence. Out of balance, Pitta arouses anger, hatred, and jealousy. Kapha. Kapha is the energy that forms the body structures, bones, muscles, tendon, and provide the glue that holds the cells together, formed from earth and water. Kapha supplies the water for all bodily parts and systems. It lubricates joints, moisturizes the skin, and maintains immunity. In balance, Kapha is expressed as love, calmness, and forgiveness. Out of balance, it leads to attachment, greed, and envy. In Ayurveda, body, mind, and consciousness work together in maintaining balance. Life presents us with many challenges and opportunities. To maintain balance and health, it is important to pay attention to these decisions. Diet and lifestyles appropriate to one's individual constitution strengthen the body, mind, and consciousness. References: Bhakho H.K. A Complete Handbook of Nature Cure, Chhak Publications, Mumbai 2010. Mishra R.P. Geography of Health Concept, Publishers, New Delhi 2007. Multiple choice questions. First one, dash medical system found in India. Option is A. Ayurveda, B. Unani, C. Homeopathy, D. Allopathy. Correct answer is A. Ayurveda. Second one, basic principles of Ayurveda are Vata, Pitta and dash. Option is A. Space, B. Earth, C. Fire, D. Kapha. Answer D. Kapha. Third one, Ayurveda seeks balance of body, dash and spirit. Option is A. Health, B. Spirituality, C. Mind, D. Peace. Correct answer is C. Mind. Fourth one, the word Ayurveda derived from dash. Option is A. Sanskrit, B. Greek, C. Latin, D. Persian. Correct answer is A. Sanskrit. Fifth one, in Ayurveda, therapies are typically based on herbs, minerals, and dash substance. Option is A. Chemical, B. Metal, C. Vitamin, D. Zinc. Correct answer is B. Metal. Thank you.